If you want to see what I got in this spring FabFit starter box, keep on watching. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare, and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today, as you read from my title, I will be doing an unboxing of my FabFit Starter Box. You heard it right. I have been gifted one of the free codes to... I do not know what that rumbling is. If you hear it, something's shaking my house and it's not an earthquake, I hope. But anyways, so as I was mentioning, my friend here on YouTube, Sandy, had a few links to give out free FabFit starter boxes, which you get 3 to 4 full-size items. And in the email I had received, it said that you get about $80–90 in value typically, and you only have to pay $5 for shipping. That's it. I'm like, that is freaking awesome. I had FabFitFun ages ago, where they didn't even have the starter boxes available back then. I haven't had FabFitFun in years because, it's been about just over a year at this point. I haven't had FabFitFun. I wasn't liking the products that they were providing. At the time, I was actually looking more for beauty products, and I just didn't realize what I was signing up for at the time. I thought it was a beauty subscription, and that's when I went from FabFitFun to BoxyCharm. And ever since then, an obsession with subscriptions have begun, and I've been seeing all these unboxings the last couple months and made me really miss FabFitFun. So I'm so thankful for Sandy for sending me one of the free links for the starter kit, because this is, again, that's such a great way to get reintroduced to the company, see what they offer in services. And just so you're aware, they give you, though, only 7 days to sign up once you get the link. So keep that in mind for my future info. But let's get started and begin opening this bad boy up. But wait, before I go any further, let's not forget, please remember to subscribe to my channel, you guys. And if you could please hit all in your notifications now that I've hit 1K. Oh my God! Thank you guys all so much. You guys don't know what this means to me. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I'm actually trying to build something to do another giveaway. Once this one's over and everything's done, I'm gonna have a 1K giveaway. So stay tuned for that, you guys. But anyways, so yes, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you could hit like on my video, I would greatly appreciate it. But let's begin. All right, so this is the box, and this is huge. Look it, that's huge. It's like big as my head almost. It's a little bit bigger for once. But anyways, let's open her up. Now, disclaimer, I had already filmed this unboxing and I made a boo-boo. I had one of my lights shining and I didn't have my glasses on, and I didn't realize it was way too close, so it literally washed my whole face. So I'm having to refilm this the next day. My bad. So I kind of know what's already in here. But anyways, let's open her up. Oh, wait. First thing that popped out was a magazine. So you do get a magazine with information. I didn't actually look at this. It says, your box is full of secrets. Ooh, the Chamber of Secrets, but in boxes. And And it just says, welcome to your new favorite thing. And of course, a little note. And on the back, it actually has all the items I did receive in the box. It gives me my total, you guys. $162 in this box that I paid $5. Honestly, I'm in love with the items in here that it was hard to have to wait another day to film this. But anyways. So the first item I received is from Wish Beauty. It's very shiny packaging. This is let me pull it out of the box actually, because it's so shiny you can't even see it. Hopefully this is a little better, less shine, but there's that rose gold kind of lining in the middle. This is a rose hip lotus firming sleep mask. This mask works while you catch your Z's. It delivers intense moisture while firming the skin and refining texture. This retails at $54, you guys. And me personally, I actually like sleeping masks. Even though I like clay masks every so often, they kind of are dirty. So whenever possible, I prefer a sleeping mask. Oh, I should have showed you the texture. I just grabbed some. But here's the product. It's very nice. It's very creamy. It has kind of like that citrusy scent, which I personally love. I love citrusy scents for some reason in skincare. And here's just a little bit of the product. And I just want to show you guys. It's like such a nice thick texture. It actually feels really good on my hand right now. I'm gonna grab some more for my other. I do get mild eczema, just in case you don't know. And I typically get it in my hands. See? I get it in my hands and my elbows. And it's so annoying because everything makes it so sensitive when I have my breakouts. And I've noticed it's when my allergies pick up, so as winter is changing to spring, that's when I have my breakouts, which sucks for me because it makes me very uncomfortable showing my hands. Besides the fact that one of my nails busted and it hurt really bad. And I haven't had time to go, this is such a nice scent. But anyway, so I'm excited for my first product. My second product right here is from Summer Rose. It's a Celine trinket dish. This retails, let me open it. It's Celine, so it's a dish. It comes wrapped everything very nicely, and look at this. This is so cute. It has this really cool like lining. It's a creamish tone here. I'm like, ooh. Creamish tone with a little soft pink accent, which is super cute. Next thing I got was this Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. And I actually have some of the other items. So very soon I'll be able to do a full Tula skincare routine. This retails for $28, and this says, this isn't an ordinary cleanser. It uses the power of probiotics to gently remove dirt, impurities, makeup while leaving your skin balanced and clarified. I'm so excited to get to try this out because I really want to do a full routine using Tula, and I've heard such amazing things about the company, you know? So I'm excited for this. And my last item is from Yumi Kumi. Oh my gosh, I actually, again, ages ago, I had received a blue makeup bag, and this is so cool. This is a hanging train case. It's $58 retail. It says it's multi-use. Oh, everything's falling. It's this beautiful pastel pink with these little flowers. has the lining. As you can tell, it unfolds. You can hang it up this way. So this is perfect for travel, and you could put all your toiletries. I could put some of my makeup brushes, and I'm good to go. Did I mention this is $58? Like, I love this brand's bags a lot. It's just they are very pricey. So that's why I haven't bought any more. So I'm very, very glad I was able to receive one of these in my boxes. All right, you guys, those are all the items I received in my FabFit Starter Box, again, which was only $5 to join. Now, once you get a FabFit Starter Box, you do get 21 days to either keep the subscription, so it will automatically charge you the quarterly, because this is a quarterly subscription box, which their box is $49, basically, let's say $50 every 3 months. Or, you know, so if you do not cancel within 21 days from the moment you place your order, or yeah, the moment you subscribe for the starter box, it will automatically charge you the $50 for that quarter, which right now they're doing the spring box. So in my case, I did automatically sign up because I really liked the box, and because I did that, so I got an email after I signed up, basically telling me that I have 3 FabFitFun Starter Boxes vouchers to give out. So what I wanted to do is give them to my subscribers, because I wanted to give them to my subscribers and my friends, because most of my family, I don't know why, they just don't like subscriptions, or I don't understand, honestly. But, you know, so instead of wasting them and not putting them to use, I want to offer them to you. So if you're interested in a FabFit Starter Box, again, it's $5. You only have 7 days from the moment I send you that invitation to use it. Leave your email down below, or write me and DM me your email address if you don't want to have it, you know, in my comment section, and I will give you one of the starter boxes. Now, again, I only have 3. So the first 3 to comment below and say, me, I would like the starter box. So you have to say, I would like the starter box. So the first 3 to actually comment what I'm stating will get the referrals from me. For everyone else that wants a starter kit but I don't have one, they do give them out every so often. So anytime I'll do a video, if I have some, I'll post it in the comments below, or now that I'll have a community tab soon, I'll post it in the community tab once I get it up and running, and again, if I get more. Now, another thing is, if you're asking for one of these starter boxes, you need to make sure you are not a FabFitFun Box member at this time, nor that you've gotten one before, because FabFitFun Box will void out your token, meaning that if I send you an invitation basically and you've already used one in the past, or you have a subscription, they can tell by your address actually that you have been an active member, and that will go to waste, and it could have gone to someone else. So please try to be honest and truthful. If you have gotten a FabFitFun Box, if you have a FabFitFun Box subscription, or you've actually used a starter code in the past, please don't ask for one and let someone else get that starter code. Again, I want to make sure whomever gets it is able to appreciate it. And then just to remind you guys, you only have 21 days from the moment you sign up to cancel, in case you don't want to keep your subscription. It's not 21 days from when you get your box. So I did want to make sure and point that out. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys have a beautiful Friday. And again, thank you all so much for helping me get to 1K. I honestly couldn't have done it without your guys' help and support. Goodbye.